Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates.
In this video, we are going to discuss about how to relieve from your body pain. What are all the main body pains that you may feel? Mainly, a joint pain. A joint pain is mainly seen in the condition known as arthritis, that's rheumatoid arthritis, and you may feel a heel pain. And in case of a kidney stone, you may feel a back pain. All these are due to some kind of minerals or vitamin deficiency or over deposition of calcium and so much of things. So today we are going to discuss about the main topic about the pain. So don't skip the video if you have any type of a joint pain, back pain, and if you have any kidney stone. What are the main vitamins you know? Mainly vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Because of COVID, you may know about this vitamin C and D and vitamin E, and mainly biotin, which helps to improve the growth of hair. But did you know about the vitamin that I am going to say? That's vitamin K. What's the importance of vitamin K? You know about? Hey, vitamin K. Did you know about vitamin K's importance? All these are today we are going to discuss about the importance of vitamin K. Did anyone know about vitamin K? This vitamin K plays a major role in your body function. This vitamin K is important to maintain your body functions properly. Too much or deficiency of a vitamin K that will leads to your body pain. What are the types of vitamin K? Only there are two types of vitamin K, mainly K1 and K2. K1 that may be that only obtained from green leafy vegetables, and which has the power in helps in blood clotting and blood coagulation, etc. And the role of vitamin K2, which is more than that of vitamin K1. For this, vitamin K2 has more roles, mainly in body pain. Let me discuss one by one. Let me start with an example. When you have a joint pain, you may first think about the tablet, mainly multivitamin tablet that mainly contains zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and all other elements. But you don't think about the vitamin K2, because the vitamin K2 is helpful to reduce the symptoms of arthritis, osteoporosis, and bursitis. If you don't know about the importance of vitamin K2, you can't get rid of symptoms of these major conditions. This is the first thing, because it will be helpful to it will be helpful in calcium metabolism and thereby reduce the symptoms of these major conditions. Next important factor of vitamin K2 is insulin resistance, that mainly helpful for diabetic patients. For diabetic patients, in the sense, the vitamin K2 plays a major role in helpful to prevent or reduce the insulin resistance. A insulin resistance in the sense, when you have high blood glucose level, there will be high production of insulin occurs. In this manner, that there will be low absorption of glucose occur. Thereby, the insulin resistance occurs, and so your blood glucose level not reduced up to the normal level. In this manner, this vitamin K2 plays a major role to reduce the insulin resistance. So you can get rid of diabetic symptoms, and thereby you can reduce the symptoms of you can reduce the blood glucose level up to your normal level. In this manner, a vitamin K2 plays a important role in controlling insulin resistance and for it mainly helpful for diabetic patients. So the first one is calcium metabolism and the second one is insulin resistance. Next important factor of vitamin K2 is helpful in preventing the over deposition of calcium in main blood vessels. Due to this, you may have a joint pain, heel pain, and mainly kidney stone. All these are due to the deficiency of vitamin K2. For persons who have any history of kidney stone, you may think that it will be the deficiency of vitamin K2. That's the reason or major reason for your kidney stone. So people who watching this know that the vitamin K2 is very helpful to reduce the over deposition of calcium in blood vessels, joints and other parts of the body. In this manner, a vitamin K2 is helpful in calcium metabolism and helpful in preventing over rising of blood glucose level that mainly in diabetic patients, and it will be helpful to prevent the over deposition of calcium in many blood vessels and joints and all other parts. So in this manner, this vitamin K2 has so much of role that you people don't know really about this. Next, the important factor of next I am going to discuss about the dosage of vitamin K tablet. It will be the main recommended dosage of vitamin K is 100 to 300 microgram. In this manner, you can take vitamin K supplement in your daily life. So the dosage is mainly important in the case to prevent other complications. Next, I am going to discuss about the where will these vitamin K supplements can obtain. First is vitamin K1. The vitamin K1 can be obtained from mainly green leafy vegetables. For a person who is a vegetarian, they can't get vitamin K2 because the vitamin K2 mainly get from meats, liver, butter, cheese, all these non-veg products. So people who are watching this video who is a vegetarian, don't forget to take or add a non-veg meals in your daily life. Not only if you can't add in your daily life, just add weekly 3 or 4 times. In this manner, you can prevent the deficiency of vitamin K. Within the combination of vitamin K and K1 and K2 supplements, you can prevent all these symptoms, mainly joint pains and arthritis and bursitis and osteoporosis and mainly kidney stone you can prevent. This is the main thing of vitamin K2 or vitamin K1. The vitamin K1 is mainly helpful in blood growth, but the vitamin K2 has more than the role of vitamin K1, like that I mentioned, mainly joint pain, kidney stone and other factors. So people, don't forget to take this vitamin K supplement in your daily life because it will be helpful in your body as well as your all other functions, and you can prevent from other symptoms and complications. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, don't forget to share this video to appropriate person who is having any symptoms like joint pain and kidney stone pain. The main is back pain that can be tolerated even if the kidney stone pain is once felt. So don't forget to share, subscribe and like. That's all for today. Next I will reach you with another topic. Stay home, stay safe.